Today we're going to show you how to make this handy telephone case with a little pocket at the back. Start by cutting out all the velvet pieces at the edge of the printed part. Copy these pieces onto the lining and cut them out. Start with the pocket. Paste the lining over the top of the velvet, right sides together, and stitch along the top. Turn this right way out and then top stitch again along the top. Fold the tab in two lengthways and stitch along the 8th and one short edge. Now we're going to turn it using our favourite tool. Place the plastic piece inside and then take the wooden stick and push it just into the end of the plastic piece and use that to guide the velvet down the wooden stick, and it just turns itself inside out without any difficulty. Clip the ends of the stitching and then just check that it's the right size, so it's the same size as the bag. Rearrange this piece so the stitching is at the centre back and flatten it down, and then top stitch along each long edge at 3mm. Place the tab onto the front of the bag using the notches as a guide, and then stitch this in place at 3mm from the edge on each side. Now take the pocket and place it onto the back of the bag and stitch that again at 3mm from the edge. Place the lining flap onto the velvet, right sides together, and stitch around. Clip into the curves and turn right sides out. Using a cool iron, press the lining side and then top stitch around. Choose the length of your strap depending on whether you want to wear it around your neck or over your shoulder. On the back of your bag, the one with the pocket, place the strap, position it about 1 centimetre in from the edge, making sure that you don't twist the strap as you go, and just stitch that in place about 3mm. Place the flap over the top of this, right sides together, and stitch. Now take the front of the bag and place it on top, right sides together, and clip all around, keeping the strap nicely tucked in to keep it clear, and then stitch. Now take the two lining pieces, place them right sides together and stitch around, this time leaving a hole at the bottom so that you can turn the bag around. Now take the lining bag right side out and push it inside the other bag. Match your stitching at the sides with a little clip. Now you just need to stitch along the top. This can be a little bit tricky, so the best thing to do is just take it step by step, sew along the inside of the bag and just turn the bag around as you go, keeping the needle down every time you turn. Et voila, now we get to see the magic and see if everything is in the right place. Turn the right side out through the hole. Pull everything through to find the strap and the flap. Now close the hole with some hand or machine stitching. Now all that remains is the finishing touch of a top stitch along this top edge. And now you can keep your telephone inside this handy little bag, and you can even keep a bank card in the little pocket at the back, or even a key, so that you can travel light. Happy sewing!